Hello friends, I am Dr. Harshalata Ladda, Samarth IVF, Aurangabad. Today I am going to talk about donor oocyte program. If due to any reason a female is not able to produce her own eggs and she want to be a mother, then she can be a mother by donor oocyte program. So what are the indications for donor oocyte program? First one is premature ovarian failure. Second, recurrent IVF failure. Third, genetic problem in a female. Fourth one is postmenopausal or perimenopausal woman. Fifth one is postmenopausal or perimenopausal woman. Next one is advanced age of the female. Then postmenopausal or perimenopausal woman. In that cases also we can go for donor oocyte program. Then there is a reduced ovarian reserve. In those cases also we can go for donor oocyte program. So what is the procedure? In these patients we prepare the endometrium of the patient with certain medications, and through ultrasound we monitor that. When her endometrium is ready to receive the baby, that time we take eggs from the donor and sperms of the husband, and we do IVF or ICSI, and the embryo is formed, and that embryo is transferred in the endometrial cavity of intending mother. After this procedure, that embryo gets implanted in the uterus and grow in the womb of that lady. This is donor oocyte program. When her endometrium lining is prepared, that time we take donor eggs from a donor and her husband's sperm, and after fusion of these gametes, embryo is formed, and that embryo is transferred in the womb of that lady. That embryo grows in the womb of the intending mother. This is donor oocyte program. Now we will talk about donor embryo program. In cases where the husband doesn't have sperm or the lady doesn't have her own eggs, in those cases we take embryo from the embryo bank, and that embryo is transferred in the womb of intending mother. So this is, sometimes patient says that instead of this donor embryo we should go for adoption, but I will suggest, in adoption the baby is not ours, or we are borrowing that baby from someone else. But in case of donor embryo program, we are just borrowing the embryo, and that embryo is transferred in the womb of the patient. So she will continue that pregnancy till 9 months and she will be delivering the baby. So that is the main difference between donor embryo program and adoption. So I will advise these patients to go for donor embryo program rather than adoption. This will be the better option to get a baby. So I think now your ideas about donor oocyte program and donor embryo program are clear.